All right, so with this one, so which means if I do this one by rationalization or by pulling out x squared, normally I see the x squared, I want to pull it out. You can try the rationalization and see if you get the same answer.
Okay.
All right, so let's do what we do. So we're gonna do, I'll go limit as x approaches negative infinity. All right, the top is fine. We'll keep it as 4x. And then plus 8. And then right at the bottom now, because you know better. Now, I'm going to pull out that x squared. We good, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I've got the absolute value of x. And then times the square root. So I'm going to have to times it by the square root of, remember, when you pull out x as what's under the square root, you add, I know it says 10 minutes, what's under the square root, you divide everything by x squared, meaning I'm going to have 1 plus 7 all over the x, because I show you the whole process. And then all of that, I need to subtract outside the radical sign, the 2x. We good, right?
Yeah.
Now, because of the negative infinity, we choose x to be negative. Are we good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So that's our next step. So I now have limit as x approaches negative infinity. These are the ones you're gonna have to practice. These ones, the stuff with square roots and powers of half and thirds. Those are the tigers. All right, at the bottom, we have now decided we'll be working with the negative x. All right, and then the rest will remain as is. All right, so let me copy that. Let me go paste it. Let me paste it there and bring about that sign. That's for the radical. All right, so this is what we got. Are we good up to this point?
Yes.
All right, now it's time to look at x with the highest degree in the denominator. It's actually x, the highest degree, x to the 1. So which means I'm going to need to divide this one by x. Each term individually divide here by x. Do the same thing right at the top, divide by x. Do the same thing here, divided by x. Then the first part, the one with the 4, you'll be left with just the 4, correct?
Yeah.
8 over x will remain as it is. This one minus x over x, you're left with a negative 1 or just a negative sign. You can put it there, but it's negative 1. We good, right?
Mm-hmm.
This one here, minus 2x over x, you left with the x. So that means we're going to leave it like that. We happy?
Yes.
Now, what's in blue will give us zeros. Those are zeros, those guys. So now we can give them the answer. And so, okay, at the top, I'm going to have 4, then plus the 0, and then all over, because under the square root, you left with square root of 1, which is 1 times by the negative. You got negative 1 minus 2. When you simplify that, You've got 4 over -3 and -4/3. You got hold of it, right? Are you lost?
No, sir, I'm just trying to understand